Today I'm going to show you how to configure an incoming and outgoing mailbox to be used in business workflows. First, we're going to start by logging into the mid-tier. Once we're in there, we're going to click on the Applications flyout menu. We're going to click on AR System Administration and then AR System Administration Console. In here, we're going to click on System, then Email, then Mailbox Configuration. In here, we're going to be able to create both the incoming and outgoing mailbox. We're going to start with the incoming one. So we're going to click on New Request, and we're going to provide a mailbox name. The mailbox function is incoming. We're going to leave it as is. Status enabled, that's fine. Then we're going to provide the basic configuration. The email server type, we're going to leave it as is. The polling interval, we're going to change it to 1. The connection security, we're going to leave it as none. For the email server name IP, I'm going to do mail. Then it should be the cluster dot on bmc.com. Then the email server port, we're going to leave it as is. For the email server user, I'm going to use a test email address. And then we're going to provide a password. And we're going to click on Save. Now we're going to click on New Request. We're going to change this to Outgoing, and we're going to provide a mailbox name. Again, we're going to provide the basic configuration details. So the email server type, we're going to leave it as is. The polling interval, again, we're going to change it to 1. The connection security, we're going to leave it as none. For the email server name IP, we're going to do the same. On bmc.com. Okay. For the email server port, we're going to leave it as is, 25. For the email server user, again, I'm going to provide the same test email address. And then we're going to provide the password. And now we're going to click on the Advanced Configuration tab. In here, we're going to start with the associated mailbox name. We're going to click on the menu, and we're going to select the new incoming mailbox that we created before. Then on the default outgoing mailbox, we're going to keep it as no. The display name, we can do any type of name that we want. Then for the email address, I'm going to use the same test email address that we've been using. The reply to address, again, I'm going to do the same. The organization, I'm going to leave it as blank. And the delete outgoing notification messages, I'm going to change it to no. So I'm going to click on Save Now. Okay. And now we're going to go back to the incoming mailbox that we created before. Okay, we're going to go to the Advanced Configuration tab, and we're going to start with the associated mailbox name. Again, we're going to click on the menu, and we're going to select the newly created outgoing mailbox. And then for the action configuration section, for email action, we're going to change it to parse. Use original template format, we're going to leave it as no. Reply with result, yes. Reply with entry, we're going to leave it as no. Enable modify actions, we're going to change it to yes. The default workflow form, we're going to leave it blank. And force default workflow form, we're going to leave it as no. We're going to click on save. Now there's another step that we need to do here in the mid-tier. For this, we're going to open up the AR System Email Mailbox Application Mappings form. So I'm going to duplicate this tab, and I'm going to go directly to that form. Okay, and in here, I'm going to click on New Request. The message type, we're going to keep it as incoming. The mailbox name, we're looking for the incoming mailbox that we created before. And for the application name, since we're configuring this to be used in business workflows, we're going to check this option right here, Innovation Suite Applications. And then we're going to click on the menu right here. In here, we're going to search for the com.bmc.dsm.email-live right here. We're going to click on Save. And that's it. That's all the steps that we need in order to create a new incoming and outgoing mailbox to be used in business workflows. This will be all in today's video. Thanks for watching.